We are the yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
Which one? This one?
What is up, guys? Sam with Hiner Outdoor Living, and today we are out at a new job. It's going to be a really fun one. Backyard renovation that we are working on. It's a large native grass property, but we're really only focused on a small area. What really sparked this project was back in December, this past December of 2021, we had a really big windstorm that came through, 100-mile-an-hour winds for an entire day. And what actually ended up happening was their grill blew off of their patio, fell into a window well, and shattered their basement window. So huge pain point. They really need to get that fixed, and just causing some problems. But it's the opportune time to really spruce it up. Why invest in a tiny project when you can make that backyard really special? So what we've got going on is nice little sod space, nice plantings and screening to cover some road noise. A couple of things going on that we're trying to solve here today. Stay tuned, see how this design comes together and how everything gets built out. It's going to be a really fun one, and we are excited to get started on this. Today we are checking in on a job, small backyard renovation to an existing home and landscape. The really high impact area is right where we're standing. Nice sod backyard space, some really nice planted berms that are going to provide a little bit of privacy and make this yard feel a little bit smaller than it is, even though we've got this large expanse. Over here, we've got some planters that are coming in. Those are getting manufactured right now. So some really nice steel planters, good modern touch to it. If we spin around this way, we got our outdoor barbecue island in yesterday. So this thing is just waiting on some appliances. That'll be kind of that icing on the cake. We don't want to bring the nice stainless steel grill or the cabinets out until we are pretty much ready to pull off of the site and get those things bolted in. So a little bit more to do with this, a lot more to do with the landscape beds. We've got plants and irrigation to come, but stay tuned. We are going to wrap this up here in the next couple of days. For you guys, the next couple of minutes. So wait for that transformation and keep on watching. is up, guys? Sam again with Hiner Outdoor Living, and today we are looking at the final product. From the beginning, grill was a big issue, so we got a really nice built-in stainless steel grill, and then just really beautifying and expanding on some of the outdoor living space, bringing in some plant beds, and then, you know, give it 5 to 10 years, these newly planted spruce trees are really going to grow in, start to fill the space out, but also screen that road noise that we got going off over here. So go ahead, stay tuned. We've got a bunch of clips ready for you right now.